We need data to effectively run our retail and wholesale businesses, but in today's world, there are a lot of data silos. Often, data is spread across multiple sources and disconnected point solutions, and the availability of new data sources is constantly changing. Simple questions like, "What did we sell yesterday?" become complicated due to multiple data sources, channels, and ways to answer the same question. Adding to this complexity is the time spent pulling data together, potential data errors from manual processes, and delays in getting answers. Perhaps it's time to look for a new solution. But why not build a system yourself? Well, it's expensive to find the right team that understands the nuances of the data and can create a scalable solution. Even when you do, the data needs constant maintenance and updates. What happens when that skilled data person leaves? Enter TRS, a fast and easy solution. TRS is a plug-and-play data warehouse and analytics platform that integrates all your data sources, updates them in near real time, and maintains accurate alignment. You also gain access to a library of key reports spanning departments and a KPI dashboard for a quick overview of your performance. Plus, when you want to use the data in a different application, you can simply export it and you're ready to go. But aren't data warehouses expensive and time-consuming to implement? Not TRS. You can be up and running in weeks with new efficient and automated data processes and start impacting gross margin immediately and costing you less than half an FTE. Click here to set up a demonstration.